Hello, my name is Ricky Nkansa, aka Teacher Kofi. Today I'm going to teach you something small about WordPress and how you can install it on your local host. So first, you visit www.wordpress.org, click on the download here, and you go to the download page so that you download it from here. Now you download here. So as you can see, it has started downloading. I have it already, so there is no need for me to download. So cancel it. You have to continue downloading it, right? Okay. Now next, you have to go and extract it. Let me go to downloads, compress as WordPress, then you extract it. I've extracted already, so now I have it here. Opening all these files, copy this file, go to local machine where the Xampp is, open it, htdocs. If you don't have the Xampp installed, please have a tutorial for Xampp installation. You can go back to it and learn how to install Xampp on your local machine. So now at the htdocs here, you create a folder, name it whatever you want. I'll name it teacher in here and paste it all here. So now we've copied the files into the teacher coffee folder I created. So the next thing we need to do is first go to the data, create a database for it, localhost hyphen with my ports. If you don't know how to install Xampp, I have a tutorial under for you to install how to install Xampp. So first you go to localhost, there's my ports, and PHP my admin. That's the URL to your database. Yeah. So first you go to database, you create your database. Let me call it teacher. You see, create. Now teacher has been created as the new database. So first, you need to know that you're on your local server. So default, your root is your username, and the local host is your host name. When you install Xampp default, the default is there is no password. So the next thing you have to do is to go to localhost and the folder name in your htdocs, that is teacher that I used. So as you can see, we have our database here created here, which is teacher with no tables found database. So first, you know WordPress is wonderful, it has a lot of languages. So we'll choose English United States. We'll continue. Now you need your database name, which is what we said, teacher. You need your database username, that is the root I showed you. Database password, which is 0, is null because we don't have a password for it. And the database host, which is the local host, and the table prefix. I'll show you that when we get there. So first, here is teacher, as you can see. This is roots, password nothing, local host because yes, that's it. Now the prefix, for security reasons, he said if you want to run multiple WordPress installation in one single database, you use the prefix to identify which runs on this and which runs on this. So what you can do, you can leave it like that. Let's leave it like that and let's go. Now let's run the installer. So we are good to go. So what we need to do now is to first provide this information to continue the installation. So the site title, ours is Teacher Kofi. The username, I'm gonna use admin, and now the password, I'm gonna use admin as well. But I'll choose confirm use of weak password so I can continue. Create a username, email address, allow search engine to index the site. Then after that you install. So it's installing, as you can see. can close this because we don't need it again. Yeah, that is it. We have done, this is success. So this is your username and your password is what I choose, that is the admin. So we can log into the panel. That is here, WP login. So admin. So that is it. This is your WordPress back end, and this is your first website front end. Wow. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll get back to you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.